Today in this video we will see how to add Snapchat Bitmoji profile. Just open Snapchat. Here you can see not profile picture on Snapchat. There are two options to add Snapchat profile. First click on profile icon and click on create my Bitmoji. Second is click on camera tab. Just select a profile picture. I take my profile picture. Wait 2 seconds. Here some sample. I select one this, edit, click on edit. Here is some sample. You can adjust yourself. Just add some fact in your face. Click on yes and save. Click on save button. Here you can see easily add Bitmoji on your profile picture. You can easily create your Bitmoji profile picture. Here you can see this is easy and simple step. If you like this video, share our video with friend. If you change selfie, click on change selfie. Here some sample. Select another if you want to change. Share our video with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.